Welcome to the personal property tour for 15 Balgonie Avenue in Glenrothes. This is in the Woodside area. It's a 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You've got an abundance of front garden and rear garden. Huge opportunity to add value, and it's in a great location. I'm just going to take you on the tour. This is the property here. So as you can see, it's a semi-detached property. You've got lots of garden space to the front of the property. Isn't that lovely? So much potential with the garden area. Pretty much a blank canvas, which is fantastic. You've got a timber gate here to the side as well, so that gives you access to your rear garden. But you really have a lot of space. The beauty of the amount of space you have in this front garden, as you can see just over the hedge here, a lot of people have actually put a driveway in so you can get off-street parking, which is great. Also just over here, there's a walkway that takes you into the woodland box as well. It's a lovely big garden. You could easily put that drive there and not take any space away. Isn't that great? And we're going to start the tour. So we come straight into the lower hallway. Immediately you'll see there's a understairs storage, so plenty of space under there. Got a lovely bright window at the bottom of the hallway, and then as we go upstairs to the upper landing, again you'll see it's lovely and bright. You've got a nice big window here as well. And you've got 2 great double bedrooms. So bedroom number 1. Instantly you can see just how bright an area it is. Lovely big window. And the window overlooks the rear garden. Really nice and spacious. Little sneak peek at the rear garden. You can see how big that is as well. It's on a huge plot. So that's bedroom number 1. Again, back into the upper landing. You have your attic hatch. So access to your roof space. And into bedroom number 2. Again, a lovely big room. Nice and bright, isn't it? Got the 2 windows, so that really helps. Lots of storage, so cabinet there, cupboard here, and also here. So it's a great sized room. This one overlooks the front garden. So again, it's in a nice location. It's in a little quiet area. Great sized double room, isn't it? Come back into the upper hallway, we go into the bathroom. So bathroom is recently renovated, as you can see. So you've got your inlet WC, your vanity wash hand basin, you've got your bath with your electric shower. Love the tiles. But again, a really nice big window. It's a lovely bright house. So it's a great family bathroom. And again, really open at the upper landing, as you can see. Then we're going to head downstairs. So again, lots of living space with this property. So head into the lounge, and with the lounge, again, look how big it is. So plenty of space for dining furniture. Maybe have it down here, you could have a work desk here as well. Got double window to the front, overlooking the front garden. So you can see it's peaceful. Really quite a long room. I'd have this as my living area, and my dining area at the top. You've got a nice big window here as well. So again, you've got the dual aspect. Overlooks the rear garden. Again, you can see that's a big space. But it's a lovely family home. Lots of potential. And I'll show you and speak to you about that potential when we go out into the garden. So we'll come back out into the lower hallway. Straight ahead, we're going to go into the kitchen. Instantly we come in, you can see you've got your integrated appliances. So you've got your oven, your grill, your hob, and your extractor. Nice big window again. Fridge and freezer. Lots of space for your white goods. Overlooks the garden again. It's a really great space. It's a lovely family home. Then we'll head out into the garden. So we're going to come out to the side. So you've got your bin store area, which is fantastic. You've got your access, as we said, from the front. You also have this outhouse as well, so again, additional storage. But as you come into the garden, you can see you've got this lovely patio area. So what a lot of people have done here is they've either added a sunroom or a conservatory, so you've plenty of space to do that. You can see that someone across here has a conservatory. Next door has put a lovely extension on. Got someone over here going up into the loft, so plenty of space. You then go into the concealed part of the garden, so again you've got a lovely gate here, keeping it nice and secure if you've got pets or young children. Love the lavender, it smells beautiful. You've got these nice roses, really smashing. And then it comes all the way around here as well. So lots of space. I'm going to take you to the top of the garden. Again, you've got a lovely rose area up here as well. Goes all the way around, and the property is down there. It's a really lovely garden. You can see the sun's coming up here. If it were me, the sun's going to come all the way around the property and set at the back. So what I would be doing is right in this corner, next door I've done it, they've got a sunroom. I would be making that my sitting sun relax area, because you can get the sun right up till the end of the day there. But beautiful big space. And you could, as I say, once you put maybe an extension on here, if you wish, sunroom, conservatory, you're not taking away any of the garden. You've got so much garden space here. It's just beautiful. So much potential. So, just to summarise, 15 Balgonie Avenue in Glenrothes. It's in the Woodside area. It's in a great location. It's a good sized plot, lots of potential. But actually location's everything. So it's close to the Lomond Centre, just a short walk. You've got walkways just in front of the property there, behind myself, that take you out into the parkland area. You're close to Carlton Primary School. You're a few minutes drive, you're into the town centre at Glenrothes, so you've got all your amenities there as well. You've got great bus links. You're also not that far from Thornton train station. That's just a short drive as well, so you've got your commute to Edinburgh and beyond, Dundee and beyond. So it's in a fantastic location. You've got lots of parks, you've got lots of walkways, you've got cycling routes. Honestly, it offers such a fabulous lifestyle. You've got this beautiful garden that you can do so much with. Really is a lovely family home. This is on the market with ourselves. It offers over £125,000. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000. And it's Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.